Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you 2 different ways to make polymer clay earrings. Let's get started. So for the first earring, I'm going to be making little heart dangly earrings. So you'll need a heart cutout, some parchment or wax paper, a little earring hook, a jump ring that opens, some pink and white polymer clay. You can use different polymer clay, but these are just the ones I'm going to be using. So I went ahead and got a little bit of the pink and a little bit of the white polymer clay and just mixed it, but not too much, so that there'll be like a little spiral kind of mixed earring. So I just cut it out. I'm going to cut it out. There's one heart and there's another. And now you are going to take a tooth. So I have the toothpick now, and now I'm just going to poke a hole right there, like where the jump. So at the end, I'm going to put them in the oven. So if you just did like one pair, you could just go ahead and skip to that. But now I'm going to do number 2. So the things you will need is some parchment paper or wax paper. I'm using this purple and teal. And again, the heart cutout. And these are stud earrings, so they're not dangly. So you're gonna use like this little thing with the back. All right, so now I have the 2 pieces. The purple one is smaller than the teal one because this is just gonna be like little polka dots. So I'm gonna go ahead and flatten it out. And once you have finished flattening it out, you're just gonna do 2 heart cutouts. I'm gonna make sure I can get both of them. So now, this is the more tricky part. You are going to take a small piece, like really tiny, of the purple, like that big, and just place it on the heart. And I'm going to fast forward doing that because otherwise it would take me a long time. So whenever it's time to bake them in the oven, you're going to put them on foil and set the oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. So about the timer, it depends on how thick your earrings or little things are, depending on how long you want to bake them. So like if they're really thin, you want to do about 7 minutes and still preheat your oven to 200. Or if they're kind of thicker like this, you want to do maybe 10, that kind of thing, 10 or 13 minutes. So I just wanted to mention that just in case you had thicker earrings and they weren't baking enough, or if you had thin earrings and they had burnt. So once they have finished baked, they will probably sound like this, just kind of like little plastic pieces. So now I'm going to show you how to attach the dangly earrings first. So you're going to undo the little jump ring. Okay, this is kind of hard. It's hard to find the opening. And once you've undone it, you're going to take the jump ring and go through the little hole of the earring and tighten it. Like that. Ugh, it's pretty hard to tighten. And then you're going to take the earring hook and put it in the hole, and then you want it to be even tighter closed so that this little earring hook won't escape. So once you have finished both of them, they should look like this. Every now and then they do come off, but if you have it tight enough, they won't come off. So now it's time for the stud earrings. So for the stud earrings, I have this glue. Looks like this. It's E60 craft kind of glue. You can get it at Hobby Lobby. and places like that. And I'm going to get this off so I can push the glue out. Sometimes it's clogged and you have to use a toothpick to get it out. So I'm just going to squeeze out some of the glue. It might take me a minute. So once I can finally get the glue, I'm going to take this and put a little drop of glue on it. And wow, that is too much glue. And if it's too much, it will just kind of, run off. So now I'm going to stick it onto the earring, and you can wait 24 hours or you can wait less time and put it in the freezer. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other. I just wanted to say, if it does get on your fingers, it is okay. If once it dries, you can just peel it off, so it's not a big deal. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. These earrings are ready to go. And these, all you have to do is wait for them to dry. Again, you can put them in the freezer to let them dry faster. Stay safe. Bye.